Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to restore WhatsApp messages. So let's get into it. First of all, open WhatsApp. Click the More Options icon in the upper right corner. Go to Settings and select Chats from the option. Select Chat Backup from the menu. Choose the Google account that you want your chats backed up to. Tap Backup. After the backup has been saved, you can remove WhatsApp from your device and install it back on your device to restore WhatsApp messages. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.